Okay, this is an unboxing video, not an animal yet. I'm getting one soon, but I like to get my stuff before I get my animal, the supplies and everything. But this is what I think it is. It's from LLL Reptiles. But yeah, so hold on, I'm gonna go get a knife really quick. Okay. Oh. Yep, some LLL paper thingy. And Troy, the person behind the camera, doesn't know what I'm got either. It's a surprise to him and sister and everybody else. Hold it in front of the camera. Who cares if you read it? Coupon thing here. These things. So, got some desert snow, and thought that would be bigger, but it's not. So yeah, got some of that for bedding. How long you done? Got. Can't show you this. So, but well. Yeah, it's okay. Now I got a power center. I think this is either a light or
it's a
something to do with a light.
It's a bulb.
Heat pad. There's the thing. The light goes in. A huge log. It's gigantic.
Oh, this is heavy.
Hand.
He has big hands. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's. I knew that what bag wasn't gonna be enough. I guess I knew it never. But got another thing of desert snow. And another thing of desert snow. And that's it. Bye YouTube.